Good morning, children. Welcome to class 7. Here, English grammar. Lesson number 1, the sentence. In the last sessions, we have studied about the sentence and kinds of sentences, right? Okay. We have studied that the declarative sentence or assertive sentence may be negative or positive. Now today we will learn about the negative sentences. As we studied in the previous classes as 5th or 6th standard that we make the sentence negative by adding not into it. Generally the sentence make negative by adding not into it. As like she is ill today, she is not ill today. To make this sentence negative, we add not. Okay. Now she has a watch. She has no watch. Here no is added to make it negative. Okay. Now the third sentence. Tell everyone. Negative sentence. Don't tell everybody. Sorry. Here tell everybody. The negative is don't tell everybody or tell nobody. Now sometimes the sentence can be written as negative in two ways. By adding not or by changing a word. Sometimes some sentences can be written in two ways. Look at here, this sentence is written negative in two ways. Is tell everybody. Don't tell everybody. Here do not is added in this sentence to make it negative, and tell nobody. Here nobody is written instead of everybody. Here in the second negative sentence, nobody is changed instead of everybody. Okay, so sometimes the sentence is make negative by in two ways. Sorry, I have something to say. Negative. I have nothing to say. Here the word is changed. I have not anything to say, and in this sentence not is added to make it negative. Okay. Now let's see the another examples. Now here there are two sentences and we have to make them negative in two ways. Okay. Let's start with the fifth. We met somebody there. Here met indicates the past tense. So we use did not to make it negative. Met, did not meet. We met somebody there. We did not meet somebody, change into anybody there. We did not meet anybody there. Okay. And in another way, we can write as we met nobody there. Here we use nobody instead of somebody, right? So this sentence is written in two ways. Is like we did not meet anybody there. We met nobody there. So some sentences can be written negative in two ways. Okay, see the next sentence. They had something to eat. Okay, now we have to make it negative in two ways. Okay, first one. They had something to eat. First of all, we make it negative by adding not. They had not something. We will write anything instead of something. They had not anything to eat They had not anything to eat. And next. They had not anything to eat. And next. Without adding not. They had nothing to eat. This sentence also written in two ways, right? Okay, they had not anything to eat and they had nothing to eat. Let's see exercise 1. Make negative sentence. Here are some sentences given. We have to make it negative. Now, everybody knows that we have to make it negative by changing a word. Changing a negative word. Okay. Now, here everybody knows that we have to write which word we can use instead of everybody. The negative word, nobody. Nobody knows that. Nobody knows that. This is negative sentence by changing the word everybody to nobody. Okay. Now anybody can do that. Again we use nobody can do that. Somebody wanted to see you. Here somebody, we will write nobody instead of somebody. Nobody wanted to see you. Now we have learnt about the negative sentence. Now we learn about negative questions. How to form a question negative. How to make a question negative. Okay. Now here are some questions given and we have to make it negative questions. Okay. Now see the first question. Will you do me a favor? As we know that to make the negative sentence we have to add not. So when we form a negative question we have to add not into it. Okay. So first question is, will you do me a favor? Okay. Whenever we add not, we add with the helping verbs or the auxiliary verbs. We can say, so will you do me a favor? So we have to add not with it. Will not you do me a favor? But we have to write will not in a short form. What is the short form of will not? Want. Okay. So how it make a negative sentence? Negative question. Won't you do me a favor? Question mark. As we learn that interrogative sentence has a question mark at the end. Okay. Now can you wait a minute? How it become a negative? Try to do it. Can you wait a minute? Can't you wait a minute? We have added not with can. Can't is a short form of can, not. Okay. Is there more T? We have to add not with is. What is the short form of is not? Isn't. Isn't there more T? Question mark. Next. Was it cold last night? We have to add not with was to make it negative. Wasn't it cold last night? Okay. Now today we have learned about the negative sentences and negative questions. Now you have to write all the examples in your notebook from this video. We will continue in the next session with another unit, okay, with another topic. Thank you.